it's Maryam. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazing. You're having a great day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I wanted to today talk about Sephora Reserve Online Pickup in Store service that they have, and I'm super excited to tell you about it because it actually saves a lot of time, especially during the holidays when we have a lot of things going on. It's going to be super easy. You'll know if your product is already there in the store, so you don't have to make extra trips to the store or different stores to find the product you want. You basically just reserve it online and see if it's actually there, and you go to the store and pick it up. I'm a Sephora Squad member and I'm super excited that Sephora wanted to partner up with me for this video. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go to my computer right now. We're gonna walk through this and we're gonna go to the store and see how this thing all works. Really want to try the Master Metals eyeshadow palette by Makeup by Mario. And I'm gonna click on that. And then you can see there's two options. There's get it shipped to you, which is not what I want. I want to reserve it. So you click on the reserve and pick up button. You can see that it says in green, it says in stock. And make sure that the store that you are nearest to is selected. Whatever Sephora store is nearest to you, you want to click on that. And then you add it to your basket. So you click on the black button and you continue shopping, which I'm going to continue shopping because I want two more products from Mario. I want to try the Master Metals palette with the manipulator. So I'm going to pick that. And again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go to the reserve pickup button. Yes, it's in stock. I'm so excited. Again, add to basket. I'm going to click on the black button. Continue shopping because I really want to try Mario's concealers, and it's actually called Master Eye Prep and Set. But this can be used as a concealer or eyeshadow primer, and it actually has a powder too, so you can set it too. I select medium, that's my skin tone. So we're gonna add that to the basket too, and then proceed to basket. We're gonna click on that. And what's gonna happen is that it's going to say view items and reserve. And then we're gonna click on that black button that says view items and reserve. And by the way, if your product is not available, it's gonna tell you that it's out of stock and it's gonna be red. So you'll know not to reserve it or maybe check back another time. It actually says pickup orders are typically ready within 4 hours and will be held 2 days after you place your reservation. So that's great. Okay, let's continue and reserve our product. So after I did my reservation, I got an email less than an hour telling me that my products are ready to pick up. So I went down to the store. And I didn't have to wait in line. I approached one of the Sephora employees and asked them about my reserve online pickup, and she took me to the online pickup section and my bag was ready to go. She gave it to me and I checked out. It was very quick, very easy. I personally, even if it takes 2 days, I'm so impatient. I want my product right away. And so for me, I found it very helpful, very useful, especially if I need my product right away. I know that it's there. I don't have to make extra trips to different stores, and it's just really easy and convenient, especially that now is the holidays and everything's crazy. There's so much going on. So it makes it easier to pick up the gifts that you want for yourself, for your family, and your loved ones. So it's just a great convenient service, and I'm really happy that they have this. So let's talk about the products that I picked up. Here it is. Okay, let's open it. The colors, oh my god, it's beautiful. It looks exactly like the picture. How brilliant and beautiful they look in the picture. It looks exactly like it in person. Oh my gosh, that silver, that gold, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. And there's a mirror protector here, so you can always take that off. I mean, seriously, this is so gorgeous. Is this insane or what? Look at this. So here's the swatches of them. I picked up the mixing liquid too to make the Masters Metal eyeshadow palette last longer. It helps with the eyeshadow palette lasting longer, and so I wanted to use them together. So here's the Master Prep and Set. These two are cream and this one is a powder. I'm actually gonna use a little bit of it under my eyes so you can see how it looks. I already have some concealer on, but I wanted to just try this on. It's a perfect shade. Actually, I really like the formula of this. It's very creamy and it works really well with your finger. If you put it on with your fingers, it works really well. So I'm using the lighter shade because I want to brighten under eyes. I'm going to use a little bit of the darker shade. I want to see how it matches. Actually, it matches my skin perfectly. This would be for the darker one. I would use for little touch-ups or little places where I may have a breakout or something. Check out my under eyes. It brightens so nicely. There's actually powder that goes with it too. I'm going to use that too for to set the under eyes. It looks really nice. I really like the formula. It's very creamy and it blends nicely with the fingers. It really warms up the product really nicely. And the powder is perfect for under eyes. It doesn't make the under eyes look cakey or anything. It doesn't go into the fine lines. It just really nicely blended, which I'm very pleased. Super happy about my purchases. So that's how the Sephora Reserve Online Pickup in Store works. I hope that you use this service and it helps you out, save some time, and make your holiday shopping a lot easier. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you're using the service. Let me know what you're picking up for the holiday season. I love to hear from you. Thank you again, Sephora, for partnering up with me for this video. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Bye.